All right, let's be real. You're using Windows 11, but are you really using Windows 11? 1. Change your default browser. First things first, Edge is great, but let's be honest. You probably want to use Chrome, Firefox, or Brave instead. Changing your default browser used to feel like hacking into the Matrix, but now it's super easy. Click Start in Settings, or hit Win, plus I for shortcut lovers. Navigate to Apps. Then Default Apps. Scroll down, find your favorite browser, and click it. Hit Set Default, and boom, you're free. Edge is officially out. Enable Dark Mode for better battery and eyes. Dark Mode isn't just cool. It's a lifesaver for your eyes and battery. Plus, it gives your PC that mysterious hacker vibe. Go to Settings and Personalization and tap Colors under Choose Your Mode. Select Dark. There you go. Instant hacker mode. Just don't try any actual hacking. 3. Snap Layouts. The ultimate productivity hack. Struggling with too many windows? Meet Snap Layouts, the multitasking superpower you never knew you needed. Hover over the Maximize button on any window. Pick your preferred layout. Choose which apps go where. Done. Win+Z instantly brings up Snap Layouts. Now you can work like a pro, or pretend to, while watching YouTube in another window. 4. File Explorer tabs. Because one window isn't enough. Windows 11 finally got tabs in File Explorer. You no longer need a jungle of open folders. Ctrl+T opens a new tab, just like a browser. Microsoft took years to add this, so let's appreciate the small victories. 5. Secret Start menu. Right-click the Start menu and, boom, you've unlocked the Secret Start menu. It's packed with power user tools like Task Manager, Device Manager, and Disk Management. No more digging through settings. Win+X opens it instantly. It's like discovering a hidden menu at your favorite restaurant. You're welcome. Remove unwanted taskbar icons. You don't need every single Windows 11 taskbar icon staring at you. Let's clean it up. Right-click the taskbar and taskbar settings. Toggle off unwanted icons like widgets, search, or chat less clutter. More productivity. 7. Stop Microsoft from collecting your data. Microsoft loves collecting data, but we don't have to love it back. Open Settings and tap Privacy and Security. Click General and toggle off everything. Congrats. You just took back some privacy. They're still watching, but a little less. 8. Enable Storage Sense and never run out of space again. Your PC hoards junk like a dragon guarding treasure. But unlike gold, you don't want gigabytes of useless files taking up space. Hit Win+I to open Settings. Shortcut fans, rejoice. Navigate to System and tap Storage. Find Storage Sense and toggle it on. Click into it and customize how often it runs. Now, your PC will automatically take out the trash. No effort required. 9. Take control of notifications. We've all been there. You're mid-flow, crushing work or gaming, and bam! Some random app interrupts you with a pointless notification. Time to silence the chaos. Here's how. Open Settings, tap System, and select Notifications. Toggle off any app that's spamming you. Use Focus Assist to auto-block notifications during work or gaming. No more unwanted interruptions. Just sweet, sweet peace. 10. Focus mode equals instant productivity. Boost. Need to get things done without distractions? Focus mode turns off notifications, dims distractions, and helps you stay in the zone. How to activate it. Open Settings, System, and tap Focus. Set your session duration, 30, 60, or custom minutes. Enable extra options like Do Not Disturb for ultimate focus. Now, your PC will be a zero distraction zone while you work, study, or binge watch, guilt-free. 11. Bring back the classic right-click menu. Ever right-clicked something in Windows 11 and thought, where did all my options go? Yep, Microsoft decided to streamline the context menu, but sometimes we just want the good old days back. Right-click on any file or folder, click Show More Options, or press Shift plus F10. Boom, the classic right-click menu is back in business. 12. Customize your widgets panel like a pro. Windows 11's widget panel is cool, if you actually use it. But let's be real, most people just ignore it. Time to make it useful. Click the moon icon in the taskbar or press Win plus W to open the widgets panel. Click the plus button to add weather, news, stock updates, or even esports scores. Pin the widgets to arrange them your way. No more random news updates about things you don't care about. Just the essentials at a glance. 13. Disable startup apps for a speed boost. Your PC's boot time feeling slower than dial-up internet? That's probably because unnecessary apps are launching at startup. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Disable apps you don't need at startup. Hint: Microsoft Teams doesn't have to auto-launch. Your PC will now boot up faster than ever. No more waiting ages just to get started. Enable typing suggestions and AutoCorrect. If you're typing like a pro but making typos like a beginner, Windows 11 has a solution. Open Settings, tap Time and Language, and select Typing. Turn on typing suggestions, AutoCorrect, and misspelled words. Now, Windows will help you fix mistakes as you type. No more embarrassing typos in emails. 15. Pin your favorite apps for quick access. If you're constantly searching for the same apps, pin them to the Start menu or taskbar for instant access. Right-click any app in the Start menu, select Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. 16. Make Windows 11 more accessible. Windows 11 includes great accessibility features to make life easier. Open Settings and tap Accessibility. Adjust text size, visual effects, or change mouse pointer style. This is especially useful for people who need larger fonts or high-contrast themes. 17. Master the snipping tool for screenshots. Windows 11 has a built-in screenshot tool that's way better than print screen. Press Win plus Shift plus S. Select the area you want to capture. Paste it anywhere, or save it. No more cropping full-screen screenshots in Paint. Just snip exactly what you need. 18. Use emojis and special characters with ease. Need to add a little personality to your messages? Windows has a hidden emoji panel. Press Win plus period or Win plus semicolon. Browse through emojis, GIFs, and even K-emoji. Now you can add flair to your messages without copying emojis from the internet. That's a wrap on 20 smart Windows 11 tips. Drop your favorite in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more tech tricks.